Want to clear app data and cache on your iPhone? Here's a quick 60-second guide. First, open Settings and tap General to check your iPhone storage usage. Tap iPhone Storage to see apps using the most space and detailed data. To free space without losing documents, choose Offload App, which keeps data. To remove all app data, long press the app icon and choose Delete App, then reinstall. Some apps offer in-app cache clearing. Check the app settings or storage options. For Safari, open Settings, tap Safari, then Clear History and Website Data. Confirm Clear History to remove browsing cache and free storage from websites. Use Offload in Used Apps and Settings App Store for occasional automatic offloading. Back up important data to iCloud or your computer before deleting apps. Quick recap: offload, delete and reinstall, app settings, and Safari Clear. That's it, clean your iPhone in under a minute. Check storage again to confirm.